OK，咁我哋一齊嚟睇睇 JUL 2026呢一個 paper 咧，係有幾 integrated 喎？嗱，係超 integrated 噶。呢個咧係咁耐以嚟咧最 integrated 嘅一份卷嚟噶啦。佢咧其實係 more than 90% integrated 噶。我即係簡單講90%啦，但其實佢係 more than 90% integrated。咁即係點 integrated 法咧？嗱，我想你睇下。佢咧一條題目裏邊咧係炒埋一碟咁嚟嘅，好多唔同 topic 一齊嚟嘅。嗱，你睇下可以有 ethics 啦、論 risk management 啦、論埋 controls 啦咁樣。嗱，咁同埋咧，大家要小心就係咧嚟到 capstone 呢一個 ethics 咧，唔係我哋基本嗰啲 M13 ethics 嚟嘅。呢啲咧其實係啲 business ethics。即係話咧，呢個係 capstone level 嘅 ethics 嚟㗎吓。好啦，但咧跟住佢就論咗咧一啲，譬如係真係好 M13 feel 嘅嗰啲 internal controls 嘅啲嘢嘅，即係佢係論咗一啲 capstone，一啲 M13，跟住咧中間就攝咗一啲嘅 risk management 嘅嘢落去。好啦，跟住嗱，你睇下仲有啲咩嗱？咁跟住咧就係、另外一個好 integrated 嘅就係、有 strategic 啊、operational 啊、financial 嘢嘅。嗱，呢啲咧都係好 capstone 嘅 level 嘅嘢嚟㗎。嗱，呢啲咧有啲人就有時會誤會啊，以為呢啲係考翻啲 M12嘅，但其實唔係啊，佢咧M12咧佢 more 係考你嗰啲strategic model 啊，即係好 basic 嘅 strategy 啊，呢個唔係啊。呢個咧係考你點 make 一啲 strategic decision 啊，跟住咧仲要你諗埋就話我一個高層嘅人 make 咗一個 strategic 嘅 decision 之後。咁我哋運作上係咪真係做到佢出嚟嘅咧？可唔可行嘅咧？咁佢就會落埋去 operations 嗰邊就講可唔可行啊？呢啲哦，跟住咧，喂，咁我都要 finance，即係呢一個新嘅 idea 㗎。咁啲 financing 點啊？即係佢係咁樣嚟㗎。佢唔似以前咧，你 module 12咧，就譬如 finance 都係考翻啲即係基本嘢啊，即係譬如咧就係一啲 debt 或者 equity financing 啲基本嘢，唔係㗎。capstone 咧，佢係點咩一個 decision，跟住咧就點樣 make sure 我哋可以真正可以實行到個 decision 咁樣嘅，即係佢係撈埋一齊嚟啊！呢度係好啦，咁仲有啲咩喎？嗱，跟住咧再留意下嗱，佢咧而家咧都會將譬如 M11 and M13嘅嘢咧，可以混合埋一齊考嘅。好嘛？嗱，咁咧好多人咧就唔知做咩啦，喺邊度聽翻嚟啦，就以為咩 M11啊、M13啊呢啲唔考嚟到 capstone，唔係考㗎，係即係而家仲要越嚟越多先，即係呢啲題目添啊嚇。嗱，so 即係大家要小心啲，就係咧上次都叫做少啦。即係佢得 10% 有 M11 and M13，嚟緊咧你要 expect 越嚟越多。咁佢其實咧呢條咧佢仲攝咗一啲 capstone 嘢喺度㗎，即係除咗有 M11、M13，佢仲攝咗一啲 capstone 嘢。咁同埋咧，譬如 even 即係呢條咁樣咧，佢攝咗有啲 M14咁樣樣㗎。所以大家要小心啦，就係咧佢而家 capstone 咧，其實佢係11、12、13、14全部都會考㗎喎嚇。所以咧要打好個底喎即係呢啲即係 module level 學嘅嘢咧，對 capstone 係好重要噶。嗱，咁不過咧又唔使去到好 technical 嘅，我哋 more 係要咧識得每樣嘢都攞啲出嚟用咁樣啊即係所以咧佢係要混合嚟用咁樣嘅，好嘛即係就唔係話自己齋講個 M11就算數，或者講個 M13就算數，唔係，而係要兩個咧即係 mix 埋一齊講咁樣。好啦，嗱咁跟住咧，仲有啲咩係好 integrated 啦？嗱，睇下呢個15分，嗱，其實係15%啦，因為佢 total 唔係100分嘅，佢係80分嘅卷嚟噶。嗱，咁呢啲我哋上堂再講啦。好啦，15%咧，仲有啲咩啦？嗱，佢咧呢度仲 mix 埋咧一啲嘅譬如 presentation skills 啊、negotiation skills 啊，其實呢一啲咧，即係你可以咁諗，仲有啲 soft skills 嘅嘢考埋你添啊！即係論一啲 hard skills，即係譬如 risk management 咁咧，咁就有 hard skills 啦。 咁佢係除咗有 hard skills，佢仲 mix 咗一啲嘅 soft skills 落去考你。嗱，咁呢個咧就係、一個好好嘅 big picture view of 佢而家 capstone 嘅考試嘅 style 啦。佢除咗要 hard skills 嘅嘢啦，嗱，譬如呢一啲strategic 啊、financial operational M11、13啊呢啲咧，咁啊正常都要有啲 hard skills 噶啦，係咪？But 唔好唔記得，其實 capstone 仲需要有埋 soft skills 㗎。嗱，咁我哋呢啲咧，全部喺即係 class 度咧，我哋會去 cover 㗎。即係譬如啦，我哋 notes 咧係會有埋啲 negotiation skills 嘅啲 notes 去 cover 㗎。好啦，咁我哋就上堂見。